Today I'm going to be showing you the different variations of the squat. First up is a beginner one. So you're going to come, place your feet about hip width apart, and you're just going to go down quarter of the way. So it's like you're sitting down into a chair. So you just want to push your bum back and squat down just a little bit and squeeze your bum and come back up. And so I'm just going quarter of the way. And this is a great exercise to work your vastus medialis, which is right here, giving you that teardrop. When that gets easy and you have no knee pain, we're going to go down into a full squat. So you want to come down to where my thighs are almost parallel to the ground, and then I'm going to squeeze my bum and come back up. So I'm coming down. My knees are staying relatively close to in line with my toes. You don't want to come way over top, but you don't have to be too concerned about it. You just want to come down parallel, squeeze your glutes, and come back up. When this one gets easy, I have a killer one for you. So you're going to go a little bit wider. You're going to come right down. You're going to start from here. Only do this if you have healthy knees. And from here, you're just going to come up halfway and come back down. And halfway. This is great because your muscle is always under tension, so it's really, really, really working hard. And come back.